If you've ever wondered whether Gamma AI or Notion is better for organizing and presenting your ideas, this video is for you. Both tools are powerful, but they serve very different purposes, and understanding the differences can help you decide which one fits your workflow best. Let's start with Gamma AI. Gamma AI is an AI-powered platform designed specifically for creating presentations. Its main strength lies in turning your content, like notes, ideas, or research, into visually appealing professional slides automatically. Gamma AI helps structure your content logically, suggests layouts, fonts, and visuals, and allows you to create polished presentations in minutes. This makes it perfect for students, teachers, freelancers, and small business owners who need fast, professional results without spending hours on design. On the other hand, Notion is an all-in-one productivity and organization tool. It's designed for note-taking, project management, databases, and team collaboration. While Notion allows you to organize your content, track tasks, and create documents, it is not specifically built for presentations. You can create simple slides or embed content for sharing, but it doesn't offer AI-powered design suggestions or automatic slide generation like Gamma AI. The key difference is purpose and functionality. Gamma AI is focused on creating presentations efficiently, while Notion is focused on organizing, managing, and collaborating on information. If your main goal is to present your ideas in a visually polished way, Gamma AI has the edge. If your goal is to manage projects, take notes, or organize content over time, Notion is more suitable. Another difference is speed and automation. Gamma AI allows you to generate professional presentations in minutes with minimal effort, thanks to its AI assistants. Notion requires more manual effort to format and present content, and while it's extremely versatile for organizing information, it doesn't automate design or create visually polished slides automatically. In summary, Gamma AI and Notion complement different needs. Use Gamma AI when your priority is quick, professional presentations with AI-assisted design, and use Notion when your priority is organization, productivity, and collaboration. Some users even combine both, using Notion to plan and organize content, and Gamma AI to transform that content into professional presentations. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tool reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Try both tools today and see how each can enhance your workflow in different ways.